It's not one of them that you can, one time you get a pin in there, you can just put that goop in there and surface it. Not this one.
Jay, choo-choo! Yay, Jay! You know I love trains.
Rain miles. Rain stuff comes down out of the clouds, it's rain.
I knew that.
What can you get with?
I don't mind.
Well, it's about 30 minutes from here down to there.
Did you know we stopped here in the
40.
bus?
Well, it says 40, but it takes about 30.
It takes about 40. We did it.
Well, I did it too. I didn't expect it to be on the corner quite like it is.
It's right on highway, what used to be Highway 83.
And what I
Did you know we stopped
must
here
have
at
turned
the
about
bus?
was I was going to get that stuff down around the back of that thing for a workshop.
I
Come up
stopped
right up
here
front
at
of the street,
the
it's flat coming right on in. So you'll be able to bring a container in down
Grandpa.
there. Otherwise, I got a
Grandpa.
bunch of big heavy equipment to try to move downstairs. I don't want to do
Grandpa.
that. Look,
We stopped here at the bus.
you stopped the bus?
And we had to be quiet at the
Oh, yeah,
middle.
well, yeah, those bus drivers don't like it when you get noisy.
I don't know which way you drove because we didn't stop or anything. It was 40 minutes. It was no getting around
Not
there.
bad.
Well, I just because you come out, you come down, you come right out on 36.
We took 36 to
36 right up.
64.
Yeah.
Those are train wheels.
I might have been exceeding the speed limit.
Possible.
Only because of the fact that I just been driving on the freeway at 80 miles an hour the entire time. And you don't even think about it when you get in there. And all of a sudden, whoa, I'm going too fast. I was doing 70 on 36, looking for a ticket.
Yeah. Although you probably blended with everybody else.
One guy actually backed off and got over because he was neck and neck with the car beside him. He didn't want to speed up and go around the car because he'd be speeding more. So he backed up, got over, and let me pass. That's about the time I realized that I was pushing the hell out of him because I was speeding. So then I slowed down, and then he got mad because I slowed down. He came on, passed around, and cut me off. Slowed down.
Is it rain?
It always follows me wherever I go.
It does not.
Everything does.
No.
Everything does.
Except for a tree. Wow, always follow me. Man, what's special to going always follow me?
Well, I got a great big wide open basement that I'm going to turn into a workshop.
It's gonna be a
Daddy
good
always
workshop.
had a
Well, I
workshop.
probably walled off with some storage down there and some other stuff. If it's big enough, I'll be able to turn around. Probably, how big is your shed up?
Did you know Daddy had a workshop?
Yeah, I know. How big is your workshop? How big is your shed?
What's that?
How big is your shed, your workshop?
How big is my shop?
Yeah.
I think it's 15 by 20.
I'll be able to put in something about the same size downstairs. I'll have to lay it out and find out. But as usual, genius tradesman. There's an actual out over corner. We're in the basement where the water heater and that heater shut on. Now they put them out right in the middle floor. So I just have to walk around and make a storage back there.
Did you know this thing before I washed the shoes, I had a shoes behind my tip.
You did.
And I have another one like that. And it's like wiggling.
Yeah, Rick just got some new teeth too. All mine started falling apart. Got two implants on the top over here that filling out back up. They capped the bottom one, but they could put anything on top. I had two implants there. I finally have, for the first time in probably 8 years, 9 years, I finally get all the teeth back in my mouth.
Well,
Well, there's plenty of places to eat if you come down by us. Your restaurant's over right down there. There we go. I tried to find something up this area, and I had an opportunity when we first started looking. There's several houses very close where you guys are. There's two of them want to do. You're not getting the bottom off of the fact that you paint and put things on an existing house. You get what you want. I could have done this a lot less money. We ended up going from new to new. There's one not too far from here. Unfortunately, they had remodeled the inside. It was built in the 70s. So it had a shallow basement. But it had a 4-car heated garage out the back. I could have bought that and about 150, 200 grand to get it. But I couldn't get your mom to do anything. And by the time I went to get it, it's already taken anything. No more moving. Done. This is the third new house. That's enough. 3 new houses.
I remember this.
You sure you think here last
I
night?
forgot this place was down here.
sure.
Nope.
It's still open? Is Buddy in there running the place?
I have no idea.
That guy went totally whack. It's been a long time since I've been here. A long time.
Yeah, what was it? I can't remember what it was.
I don't remember what it was called, but we ate here once before.
Well, it was the coach house before this. I can't for the life of me remember what it used to be before that.
We up this ranch.
Well, we got it. Oh, grab me. I swear I was there when they had that name as Kelly's Bleachers. I don't know how long that was.
It's only been a couple years.
Then it must have been when we came up here one time. We went there, so
It's literally only been about 2 years.
I can't believe this business.
It was closed down for probably at least 5 years. And there
right?
was the coach house before that.
Yeah, I remember that.
And I cannot for the life of me remember what the place was before that. I was in there once when it was a place before the coach house. I never went there when it wasn't the coach house.
And your mom was all set on the way over to your house. Run right back down there tomorrow and fix that lawn up. We gotta fix that lawn. You don't even know what you got messing around with it for. Oh, we got tools in the car. Yeah, you got tools in the car, so what?
Doesn't matter.
Tomorrow's Sunday, so I can have what you do on Sunday anyway. Work on the other motorcycle because they were fairly cost effective doing it. I don't want to say cheap, but cost effective. One day 2001 Harley that I bought in Blue, that I traded off a year later for the other one. The other big thing is that we didn't trade the house for mortgage. We were going to trade house for house. So I still won't have a mortgage. Yeah. Otherwise, I'd be a little skinny on fixed income on Social Security. You learn how much you can live on a company one real quick. Side of the house. It looked like they had a train line over into something. It's on city sewer. Why would you run a train line into something? It's on city sewer. I never had a house up here that I had to have something up there.
Me either.
You have that problem with water?
Not at all. When I bought the house, there was cobwebs in the sump.
Yeah, there was never water ever into something on Dresden. There wasn't water into something on
There was
Dresden.
a pump in there that was installed in probably 1979. It was seized up.
I never even had one of them pump in it. The one on Empire Drive over there. We sat here and the other house sat down in here. If we had water in our basement, there would be underwater. So, the one in Dresden